Hello and welcome again. Top writers from around the world will write for you to outsource. The content of your website says a lot about it. They will describe the content of your site and also tell people what your site has to offer. The articles and content of the website make a lot of difference on your website as they can grab the attention of your website visitors and keep them there. Many do not have time to write website content and articles. While writing content and reports designed for the internet can take some getting used to and researching and learning, many writers can be found around the world who could do it for you. Many of us don't even have the time. Some writers have extensive experience in doing this and charge only a minimal fee for this work. Writers like this can be considered experts in this style of writing and can significantly help your website to get that coveted place in search engine ranking. So, some need documents to be done for school or office work. Top writers around the world are very knowledgeable and do extreme research to get the job done right. It is a small price to pay for having a site rich in content or for a well-researched and written article. Many websites can offer these services with their team of well-trained and experienced writers. They offer many writing services to meet any writing needs. A writer can be based anywhere in the world and guaranteed to offer useful content and articles. Each is double-checked, edited, and revised so that you receive your sums of money. Finding a good writer or website that offers this type of service is simply researched on search engines. The main sites would probably be the best, as they did an excellent job of keeping the content in high quality to get high ratings. But you can also browse and read some of the sample jobs to get an idea of how much it will cost. Please visit the link below for the full article, like and subscribe, and we see us next time. Goodbye.